This awesome crab dish is such an easy and delicious recipe you will love.
Hi foodies, welcome back. Today I have a very special person with me, my uncle Shekhar Bisek.
Hi everyone.
So let me tell you, he's an excellent cook and I'll allow him to talk about his recipe he's going to show today.
Hi, I've tried this Singapore crab or this black pepper crab many years ago, and when I came back to Houston, I decided maybe I'll give it a try and see how it comes out. And over the years, I have made few changes, and it turns out to be good recipe, and it's a very quick recipe. So I would like to share that with everyone. Thank you.
Sounds so interesting.
Yeah.
So shall we start?
Of course, let's go.
Are you ready? Let's go.
These are medium-sized crabs, deshelled and cleaned. Make sure they're cleaned thoroughly before use. I have shown how to clean the crabs in one of my previous videos. Check the description box for the link. For this recipe, we will leave the legs and the claws intact and discard the outer shell. We have to just crack the claws slightly for the sauces to penetrate and the crab juices to release for the awesome final taste. Keep all the crabs ready. These sauces are very simple and easily available anywhere. The main taste comes from the perfect combination of these sauces. Mix these and keep aside for a while. Now you may think this is too much butter, but it eventually gets absorbed when we cook the crabs. Make sure it melts completely. In goes the finely chopped garlic. Saute for a while, but make sure it doesn't brown. Place the crabs face down evenly. You can see the color changing as they start to heat up. All the cooking is on medium flame. We will cover and cook them for 5 minutes. Let them steam properly. Mix and allow to cook further. These are the sauces that he had mixed and kept aside earlier. He is now applying the sauce inside the crab for the flavors to reach in and the crab juices to release. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and press the subscribe button as I post new recipes every week. Take your time and make sure all the crabs are sauced properly. Drizzle the remaining over the crabs. Now these are also called black pepper crabs, so we have to add black pepper powder for the nice spice. Make sure all the crabs get the pepper flavor. Cover and cook further on medium flame. Wow! Look at how amazing these look, and the aroma has spread throughout the kitchen. I must tell you, these look so tempting. The sauce has reduced nicely and the crabs have been well coated with it. My uncle is gracious to show us this recipe, and I thank him for the amazing Singapore crab recipe.
Wow, what an excellent recipe. Amazing. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to her channel.
Thank you. And if you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.